Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. So a little bit of a pause day after a pretty strong Monday, right? And with today's pause or a slight pullback, it's worth mentioning that for the breakout to remain intact, certain levels have to hold. Okay, so meaning that for the SPY, which was really like the big focus for a lot of people yesterday, you can see that there was a good, solid, strong break of the 470 2-month resistance level, right? So hit it on the Thursday before Christmas, really officially broke through it yesterday, and then today, after a green open, kind of just spun around. So for the breakout to hold, you really want to see the previous resistance turn into support, right? So that's the line in the sand. So when you get a breakout, the goal is to have previous resistance turn into support. So previous resistance at 470 to 471 is what you want to see hold on the way back down, right? Because then you have supply turn into demand, and then that could help set up like the next push to the upside. If it keeps chopping and holding above 475, 476, 477, even better, right? But if it does pull back, this is the line in the sand. This is what it needs to hold. Otherwise, it could turn into a breakout failure. And why that's significant is because IWM had a notable breakout failure, right? It took IWM a long time. So it took IWM a long time to clear this monthly resistance range, right? And you can see when it finally did, great move, right? Big breakout, strong run. Basically, you're straight up, right? But then as it started to leak, it couldn't hold. And then when it had the breakout failure, right? When it sank back below resistance, that's when the selling really started to accelerate, right? So it was leaking, slow, breakout failure, straight down, right? So kind of like a fast flush to the downside. So I'm not saying that's going to happen to this SPY, but that's why 470 to 471 on SPY is significant. Is because you don't want to see a pretty material breakout turn into a breakout failure, because then it could mean that there could be a fast reversal to the downside. Okay, so for anybody, I mean, and this applies to all sorts of different patterns, all sorts of different stocks. I mean, the pattern is consistent whether it's like the SPY, the ETFs, or individual stocks. I mean, that's what the breakout back test or breakout failure is, and that's what I look for these types of like tradable patterns. Okay, um, so we'll see, and again, I mean, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but that's what I'll be watching to make sure if it does really if we really want to keep momentum going, that's what's going to need to hold. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading breakouts with options or swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.